Hello everybody, welcome to my RC plane channel. I'm James, and today I'm going to be doing a test run of this Saito 91S 4-stroke glow engine. Now this engine is mounted on this Great Planes Revolver 60, which is an ARF, and back here are the wings and the canopy, and here's the cowl. And I haven't flown this plane in a while. I've had it for probably like maybe 3 years or so, somewhere around there, maybe 4 years. I haven't flown in a while, so I'm going to be taking it out. But I just wanted to do a test run here at home before I get to the field, just to make sure everything's running, make sure the engine's running properly and everything's good on this before I take it out to the field, because I don't want to waste a bunch of time out there. I just want to get to flying. All right, so one thing I did want to mention is that this, like I said, it's an ARF by Great Planes. Great Planes is no longer in business, from my understanding, and so you may not be able to find this plane for sale. But, you know, there's many other kind of sport ARFs like this that are out there. So anyhow, I just wanted to mention that. All right, so let's go ahead and take this outside, and we'll see how it runs.